Today we will be filming a walking sequence, which most people normally film in one shot, a bit like this. As you can see, this shot is completely boring. Nothing happens and it takes far too long to watch. We can fix this by using multiple angles. So let's shoot the same scene from different perspectives, starting with the feet of the person moving by. Continuing with a headshot of the person walking by. A shot from the front where he's walking towards the camera. And a shot from the back where he's walking away from the camera. Of course, this is a lot more work than just filming one shot and using that shot as a whole. You have to do some editing, but in the end, the result, with the right music underneath, looks a lot better, as you can see.